lost in night, in the wood, shadows fight. Arms take gold, can't take flight. Power's gone, nothing's right. Cauldron cold, no more fire. Potions fail, dreams expire. Spirits whisper, call me liar. In the dark, lost desire. Purchase cry, echo loud. Through the fog, through the shroud. Mystic force, once so proud, now just whispers in the crowd.
Babalan TV.
Hi Taurus, welcome po sa inyong reading. So this is for January the 22nd to January the 31st reading. Para po sa mga bago, don't forget to click the subscribe button, smash the like button, comment below kung kayo po ay nakaka-resonate, and hit the notification bell. Kung gusto niyo pong sumali sa ating live sessions, dun po yan sa ating kabilang channel, Babaylan TV. No, yan po ang ating unang channel catered for our international audience. Nandun na rin po ang January the 22nd to 31st reading. Kung hindi po kayo nakaka-resonate dito, baka nandun po ang inyong reading. No? I want you to know that this is a general reading. So you may resonate with the entire reading or you may resonate with some bits and pieces of the reading. Take what's only yours. Magsimula na tayo. So Taurus, solar plexus or solar plexus chakra, no, fertility, and destiny. So for a few numbers of you, meron tayong pinipilit na mangyari. It could be, katulad ng sabi dito, we will take it as it is, no, ang pagbubuntis, no, or it could also, this might also be a representation of a dream per se, no, that we want to give birth to. Siguro matagal na rin itong pinaplano natin, either pagpapakasal, pagbili ng bahay, no? We want that to come into fruition. Pwede rin ito makagraduate, whatever it is that your dreams and aspirations in life, no? Hindi nawawala ang sinasabi nating push, no? Hindi nawawala ang sinasabi nating pagpupursige, no? And I feel like you are meant to experience or to do the things that, you know, kind of you're manifesting, no? But siguro ito na yung time to make a specific move, no? Kasi parang nakikita natin dito meron ding mga procrastinations tayo. Pwedeng minamaliit natin yung sarili natin, pwedeng sinasabi natin na hindi ko pa kaya, no? Or pwedeng sinasabi natin hindi ko naman siya ma-achieve. Pero you keep on doing, you keep on manifesting it, no? So it's the King of Cups, the Five of Pentacles. I feel like bago pa man mangyari, no, parang kayo mismo nag-jinx nito. Bago pa man mangyari, hindi pa natin tinatry, no? Hindi pa natin sinasabi whether it is yung nararamdaman natin, whether it is itong sabihin natin na emotion, no, na gusto nating ma-experience with the person. Siguro pinanghihinaan tayo ng loob, no, or gusto natin makipagbalikan kasi with the Five of Pentacles, no, Five of Pentacles is leaving someone in the cold, no. So parang siguro iniwan tayo or iniwan natin yung person natin, no, or balak nating iwan na lang, no, keep it hanging. What I'm trying to say here is siguro ang pinaka-core nitong reading, no, per se, is to make a move, no, bago natin patayin itong dreams. Sinimulan mo na no, naisip mo na ngayon pa ba, no, kung kailan ang daming araw mong ini-spend, no, why not, kumbaga, sugalan, no, itong gusto mong mangyari, no. Alam mo, ang sabi nga nila, ang pinakamayaman, no, na lugar or na establishment, kung pwede natin sabihin establishment yun, no, hindi ang bangko, no. Ang sinasabi nila, ang pinakamayaman na establishment or pwedeng na lugar, ito ang sementeryo. Bakit? Ang dami-daming dreams, no, na nilibing na lang din kasama ng tao. What if isa doon, no, nagmanifest, No? What if isa pala doon dahil gusto niya tumakbo bilang presidente ng ganito, magtayo ng ganitong negosyo dahil sa takot, no? Dahil sa fear, dahil sa self-doubt. Siguro inilibing kasama sila, no? So, what I'm trying to say here is let's start doing something, no? Ang sabi nga natin dito sa pag nenegosyo, no? Yes, may mga taong risk taker, no? Bigay lahat. Umuunlad, hindi, it's a sugal, no? Life is a sugal naman din. Kahit anong gawin natin, no? Because of our choices. Pero kung nakikinig kayo ng mga financial advisor, no? Sinasabi nga nila, kung meron kang 100,000, no? Yung 10,000, yun muna ang gamitin mo. Kumbaga, trial and testing, no? If nag-fail, at least you still have your money, no? If it succeeded, then tsaka mo lagyan ng kalahati. So, bigay mo yung 40, no? So, magiging 50 na siya, paikutin mo. Ngayon, pag nakita mo nagbo-boom, dun mo lahat ibigay. Kesa naman yung hindi mo na siya trinay, inisip mo na nakapagplano ka na, no? Hindi mo pa trinay, sayang yung time. Masayang yung time, no? Hindi natin siya nabigyan ng, kumbaga hindi natin nabigyan ng hustisya. Don't you know that dreams, aspirations, inspirations, no, especially for ourselves na gawin ito, that is a gift from God, no? Kumbaga, the God universe is giving you, no, hints na, either this will be a lesson or this is your gift. Pero sa sobrang takot, no, walang nangyari. The 10 of Wands and the 2 of Cups. So, ang nakikita natin dito, hirap tayong umamin. Hirap tayong umamin, magtapat, no? Or magtanong kung alam mo na may pwede pang mangyari, pwede pang ulitin, no? Pwede pang, or pwede nating simulan, no? With the 2 of, eto yung sinasabi ko, 2 of Wands, pinupush tayo ng universe na gawin na natin kasi 2 of Wands and 4 of Swords, hindi ko sinasabing tamad kayo, no? Kasi 4 of Swords is exhaustion, no? Siguro iniisip mo pa lang, ay, bago to mag-come to fruition, siguro, pagod na ako sa buhay, no? Siguro, papahirapan ako ng taong to, no? Wala namang kasing shortcut, no, sa success. Lahat yan pinagdadaanan. With the 3 of Cups, so ang nakikita natin dito is celebration. Celebration, happenings, something that you, sabihin natin, ipinagdidiwang, no? So, what if pala, kung sinabi mo, there's nothing to lose but to gain. Kasi 'di ba, kung sinabi mo at na-reject ka, at least alam mo na. And you can move forward. Kung ginawa mo naman at pumasok, no? Pumasok sa banga, then it's a win situation. If you were rejected, it's also a win situation. And then probably if this is still your dreams, probably you can do something to elevate your moods, no? With the 8 of Pentacles, the Knight of Cups, and the 4 of Wands. So, ang nakikita natin dito, okay lang, no? Padahan-dahan, baby step. At least we need to work on. The universe is pushing us to do something with the 9 of Swords and the 2 of Swords. Pero malamang sa alamang, dahil sa fear, dahil sa doubt, no? Yung minamaliit ang sarili. I feel like instead of making it come to fruition, no, making it happen, mas pipiliin yung wag na lang. There's some things na afraid of rejection. So, yeah, this is your reading. Pero ang sinasabi dito, no, why not try? Ayan. So, bago natin tignan ang zodiac sign ng iyong person, gusto ko lang po malaman ninyo, no, na doon po sa kabilang channel, Babaylan TV, doon po yung live sessions. Pwede naman kayong magtanong doon sa live sessions. You're very much welcome. Pwede rin kayong magtanong dito sa comment section as long as the question is answerable by yes or no. Pero kung hindi naman po kayo masasatisfy sa yes or no na sagot, dumiretso na po kayo doon sa ating description box. May link po doon. Click nyo lang yung link. I-route kayo doon sa website. Nandun po yung question form. Name, number, amount, no? Per question, QR codes. I also created a 4 questions plus 1. Take advantage of it. And if you want to book a private reading, nandun din po siya. No? So let's check the zodiac sign of your person. I am seeing Taurus, Pisces, Leo, Sagittarius, Cancer, Scorpio, Virgo, na? Yan. So this is your reading. Love and light to you. Namaste. See you po sa susunod na readings. Goodbye.